Imagine a mammal that can regenerate an entire limb, including bones, muscles, and nerves, within weeks. This incredible ability is not science fiction, it's real, and it exists in nature. This mammal is the star of our story today. This remarkable mammal can regrow limbs even after severe injuries, such as amputation. Scientists are fascinated by this ability, as it offers clues into human medical advancements. The process is both fast and precise, mimicking natural development. Unlike humans, who struggle to regrow even a small piece of tissue, this mammal can regenerate complex structures. This includes not just skin and muscle, but also bones and nerves, all within weeks. It's a biological marvel that challenges our understanding of healing. This remarkable adaptation has allowed the ghostfish to thrive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. It has no natural predators, and it can navigate through the dark abyss with ease, avoiding danger before it even becomes visible. The implications of this mammal's regeneration power are huge. It could one day lead to breakthroughs in treating human injuries, burns, and even organ failure. This is not just an animal with a unique ability, it's a key to the future of medicine. The mammal that can regrow entire limbs is the African spiny mouse. Found in the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East, it has a unique adaptation that allows it to survive in harsh environments and escape predators. This small mammal has a highly specialized skin that allows it to tear off pieces of its own body to escape predators. It's a survival mechanism that, surprisingly, also aids in regeneration. This ability is not seen in any other mammal, making it a true biological oddity. The spiny mouse can lose up to 30% of its body mass in one go and still regenerate the lost tissue. This is a survival strategy that sets it apart from other mammals, which typically cannot survive such severe injuries. This regenerative ability is not just for skin, it extends to bones, nerves, and even blood vessels. Scientists are still trying to understand how the spiny mouse can regenerate such complex structures so efficiently. Despite its incredible ability, the African spiny mouse is not widely known. This is a mystery, as its regenerative powers could revolutionize medicine if more people were aware of its existence and capabilities. The secret to the spiny mouse's regeneration lies in its unique cellular response. When the mouse loses a limb, cells in the wound site quickly activate and begin forming new tissue. This process is different from other mammals, which struggle with such complex regeneration. These cells have the ability to differentiate into various types of tissues, including muscle, bone, and nerves. This is a critical factor in the mouse's ability to regenerate entire limbs in such a short time. Scientists are studying these cells to understand how they work. Another key factor is the mouse's immune system. Unlike in humans, where inflammation often hinders healing, the spiny mouse's immune system supports regeneration without causing damage. This is a major difference that researchers are trying to replicate in human medicine. The mouse also has a high level of stem cells in its body, which are crucial for regeneration. These stem cells can be activated quickly after injury, allowing for the rapid formation of new tissue. This is something that is still being studied extensively. This combination of factors, cellular response, immune support, and stem cells, makes the spiny mouse a unique subject for regenerative medicine research. Understanding these processes could lead to major advancements in human healing. The spiny mouse's regeneration ability offers a glimpse into a future where human patients could regrow limbs, heal from severe injuries, and even recover from organ failure. This is not just a dream, it's a possibility that is being explored by scientists around the world. Researchers are using the spiny mouse as a model for studying regenerative medicine. They hope to unlock the secrets of its biology and apply them to human medicine. This could lead to new treatments for amputees, burn victims, and those with chronic wounds. One of the most exciting applications of this research is in the field of tissue engineering. Scientists hope to create artificial tissues that can regenerate, much like the spiny mouse's own tissues. This could lead to the development of new organs and body parts for transplantation. In addition to regenerating limbs, the spiny mouse's biology could help in developing new treatments for nerve damage and spinal injuries. Its ability to regenerate nerves could be harnessed to treat patients who have lost mobility due to such conditions. The potential applications of the spiny mouse's regenerative abilities are vast and exciting. As scientists continue to study this remarkable mammal, the future of medicine is looking more promising than ever before. Despite its incredible regenerative abilities, the African spiny mouse remains a hidden hero, largely unknown to the public. This is a mystery, as its biology has the potential to change the world of medicine forever. It is a reminder that nature still holds many secrets waiting to be discovered. The spiny mouse is not just a marvel of nature, it's a symbol of the potential that lies within the animal kingdom. Its existence challenges our understanding of biology and offers hope for the future of human medicine. By studying the spiny mouse, scientists are not only uncovering the secrets of regeneration, but also learning how to apply these principles to human medicine. This is a journey of discovery that could lead to some of the most significant breakthroughs in medical history. The spiny mouse is a living example of the incredible power of evolution. It has adapted to survive in harsh environments and has developed abilities that could one day save human lives. It is a true marvel of the natural world. As we continue to explore the world around us, we may find that the answers to some of our most pressing medical challenges lie in the biology of animals like the spiny mouse. This is just the beginning of a fascinating journey into the future of regenerative medicine. The African spiny mouse is not just an animal with regenerative powers, it's a beacon of hope for the future of medicine. Scientists are working tirelessly to unlock the secrets of its biology, with the goal of applying these insights to human healing and regeneration. This research has the potential to revolutionize how we treat injuries, diseases, and even aging. The spiny mouse's regenerative abilities could lead to new treatments for conditions that are currently incurable, such as spinal injuries and organ failure. As we continue to learn from this remarkable mammal, we are not only advancing science, but also changing the way we think about healing and recovery. The spiny mouse is a reminder that nature is full of surprises, and that the answers we seek may be hidden in the most unexpected places. The story of the spiny mouse is a powerful one, highlighting the incredible adaptability of life and the potential for regeneration in all forms. It is a story of resilience, survival, and the limitless possibilities of science. As we continue to explore the world of regenerative medicine, the African spiny mouse will remain a key player in this revolution. It is a symbol of the power of nature and the endless possibilities that lie ahead in the field of biology and medicine.